wants to hold it again.
You ready, Cole?
He's just gonna crawl up. Oh. Are you gonna hold him, Coley? He's like, whoa, what's all this hair?
Wait, I want to go on this side.
You can do it, Coley. So cute. He's adorable. He's not, but he's ginormous. He's ginormous.
Good job, Reagan. You're being so brave.
You don't know if it's a he or she. He or she is cute. Okay, Daddy. Be careful, Chloe. Oh, yay! Good job.
Good job, buddy.
Careful.
The animal, or all the bugs that you have.
Alright, we're done. You want to hold him, babe?
No.
Why?
No, I don't want to hold him.
He won't
Babe,
hurt you.
no, I
Put him
don't
on your
care.
camera.
Really nice.
I don't like the feeling of the bug crawling on me.
This doesn't hurt you.
You like ladybugs? It's like sort of like that.
No, it's nothing like a ladybug.
Alright, we'll put him down.
Okay, big boy, you go down the middle and don't go too fast. Go slow, go slow. Use your brakes. Here you go. Yeah, you did it. Hey guys, look at this crustaceous, turd. No, what's that? No, that's deer tracks.
Probably pronghorn. Pronghorn, it could be. It's been here for a while because look, it's literally like embedded in the rock.
Okay, let's go.
Holy,
Keep
watch
going.
out for the big dip.
Decided go for a late night. Oh gosh, I must have got burnt today. Go for a late night run before dinner. And now we're regretting it. Going up that hill. Eek! With something serious. We're all pushing our bikes, but we're gonna make it up to the other hill where the airstream is. It's gonna be another feat. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. We took the airstream up that. Crazy. No, airstream's over there.
That's the airstream.
We made it.
Let's go.
On the beautiful sunset. Y'all rock. High five. Yes. 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 Good job. We started with 4. One ran in front of the other and tripped him. So I had to carry him back up the hill. And then we went around. We got to do half of it. Better than nothing. Keep going. Come on.
You can do it.
We all just went for a family run. Everybody made it a mile. And now me and my sidekick.
Right there.
And they're waiting up there. Here's Sam. They're gonna hang out while Emmy and I go for round 2.
Okay.
And we're gonna what?
Run a 5K when we get to Florida.
Yeah. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it.
Nana and Papa, we're gonna leave you in the dust.
I don't know. I wouldn't
We
say
got
that.
9 months. Or not
9?
months. We haven't been running for 9 months, and we have 3 months
Okay, 3
to
months
get ready.
to train. To train. We did it. So what you do, you go down this hill and it comes around over there and goes down and down and down to the street, and then you run up the big hill, and then you run up one last hill. We did it, high five. Yes.
Oh, so tired.
Y'all, we're awesome. Come on, guys. Daddy for the win.
14 seconds.
Guys. Woohoo, the finish line. You can do it. Yeah, buddy. Good job. Good job, guys.
Just found a bird. I mean, it got pretty munched up right there. Those bones are like crushed in half. And then if you come over here, there's some more remnants. There's another bone, some feathers, where it must have started struggling, got it, or ripped it apart. Then there's another bone, and then there's, looks like a wing. Wow.
Ready or not, here I come.
He ran all the way around and came back out by the time she was done counting. Cole, you're not very good at this game.
Oh my gosh!
McCoy Flats in Vernal, Utah. It's about 45 minutes from Dinosaur National Monument and about maybe 15 minutes from the town of Vernal, which has a Walmart and laundry and water and gas and everything you need. But right outside this park there is a little scenic view, and it has a dumpster that's for travelers, which is awesome. And it's free. It's BLM land. It's beautiful. You can come up here and jump on top of the hill like we did, or go down below. Definitely a ton of places, ton of room. Anyone can get in here, so come enjoy. Made it to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we will, oh, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you at the next place.